Hello, my name's Dr. Brinkley. In this short video, I want to talk to you about what we need to do to combat this virus. The problem is not going to go away for a very long time. We need to reduce the transmission to make things safer. Science, with its vaccines and effective treatment, hasn't arrived yet, so it's up to you. So personal responsibility is critical. Becoming a mini infection control expert is the way. Avoid the infection, avoid crowded, confined conditions and close contact with others. Socially distance, 1 metre good, 2 metres better. Wear a face covering in shops and public areas and do hand washing regularly. Work at home where it's possible. And self-isolate if you or any of your contacts have symptoms, even if very mild. And that means you must stay at home and get a COVID test. Protect yourself, don't become a contact. Most of us will have mild symptoms, some none at all. However, 8% of us will end up in hospital and 1% of us will die. You might get it mildly, but don't get it and pass it on to someone else who may lose their life. Protect yourself. Protect them. Follow the links at the bottom of this video.